So this is going to be what you did before on the qualifying race and one extra lap. We're going to start with Jim and Wade. Right now we got the Cole Brugger out there going head to head with Wade. Right now. So we're just waiting for the green light to come off front. So we're going to make that weird little S-curve right there, try not to run each other over. And then we're adding an extra lap around the outside to
there you go, Jim.
Oh, you're old school right there. The old Cooper, the San Royal, as it is.